Hello guys, welcome to my video. So today we're going to play role pinning tower. So otherwise guys, if I want some of this channel, make sure to like and subscribe. So otherwise guys, I wanted to play that game. So I don't wanna get caught or just keep falling I think. So otherwise we're going to play the game that is called hard mode. Or just wait, can I just go there before because I wanted to beat that game guys. This is the troll pinning tower 1. The tower I think guys. I just wanted to beat that game for easy game. It's not easy guys, so we need to wait until afternoon, but I don't know. This Wednesday, but anyways. So anyways, I was watching what's that? I don't know. I was watching the video that is called I don't know. So it's okay guys. I don't see that anything. Watching all of them and also like and subscribe, and also if I want some of videos channel, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification. Okay, let's go. Okay, how can I do that? Also I just change my face I guess. I change my face in my account on my avatar I think. Hey, what are you doing? Wait, can I shift block? Let's try. I can't. Are you serious bro? What's wrong with you? Hey, do not do that. Wait, can I just no? Wait, let me just. Hey, you! Oh my god! I will troll it. Let me troll. Me, I am a troller. I'm a troller. See? I'm a troller. Loser. I'm a troller. I'm. Hoy! Cheating! You're trying me. Cheating. Hey, what are you doing? Big one, bro, she's cheating. She buys Robux I think guys. She buys Robux. Why does she cheating I think? Because of her trying to buy it and also she got a speed run I think. I don't know talk about this. She got red. Why? That's possible. It's not possible. It's impossible. Yeah. How can I do that? How can I? You know what? I'm going to be a troller. I can. You know what? Wait. Can I use admin? Nice. Okay, come on. We're going to beat it. What? Hey, what? I am a troller. So do not understand me or else I'm going to. No. Oh my god. It's awkward. We're almost there, guys. We need to beat that game in Phoenix Tower 1. I'm going to play later, guys. Okay? You know what? Also, I'm going to end because I can't. So we're going to make part 2. So goodbye guys.